Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, tariff war is going on and I don't have to get into the details of it because you guys must be watching it across all the media. And especially when in Canada, people are worried about tariffs in the auto sector. Okay. Now some of you may say that we already have a car or two or whatever. Are we gonna be impacted too? Because we don't have a plan to buy new, at least in the near future. But yes, you are gonna be impacted too. This is what I'm gonna discuss in this video. Make sure you watch it till the end. Okay. Now, few things you need to consider. Regardless of the car model you own, you need to get it under maintenance at the regular scheduled intervals, right? We all do. I also go for it. Now, as part of your maintenance, sometimes your parts get replaced, right? And then over the time, um, wear and tear, you have to replace some parts, right? And in case there is a collision, something wrong in the body of the car, and there could be any number of reasons when you may need to visit a body shop, right? So when there's a tariff on steel and aluminum and car parts, these items are gonna impact for sure. So that means you're gonna be paying more for maintenance and repair. Having said that, if maintenance and repair both cost more, that will impact insurance too. Because insurance we all need to have, right, for driving our cars legally. So that will be impacted too. So what's gonna happen? We are gonna be paying higher, although we don't have a plan. So that is what I want to discuss with you guys. I know this topic is not being discussed a lot, but I thought of sharing some information that I have. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.